let's have a little fun with WhatsApp. So let me show you how you can create your avatar in WhatsApp. First of all, of course, log into your WhatsApp account, go to top right, click on 3 dots, go to settings, and then you can see here, avatar, create, edit your profile photo. So let's just click on it. So let's create your avatar. So you can create with a photo or you can create manually. So you can create manually, you can choose accordingly your skin color, everything, right? But let's make it easy and just take photo. Done. My skin tone, I think my color is this. Click next. Yeah, look like me. Then you can be more edit if you want to, like your hairstyle. Well, my hairstyle does look like this right now, but I want to make it a bit cleaner looking. Okay, you choose a hairstyle, choose your facial jawline, but I think it's already following exactly as what I have. Eye shape, body. I'm skinny but not so skinny, so this is correct. The outfit. Okay, I'll stick to this. Okay, anyway, this is how you can edit a lot of things. Just click save and you click on next, and then you can browse sticker. You can have a stickers that represent you, right? Or you can create a profile photo if you want to. Alright, so you change the background as well. Yep, so that's it. Let me show you where you can have it. So you just, for example, I go to testing here. Just want to attach my avatar. So you can see avatar here are created. Yeah. So this avatar represents me. So that's how you create your avatar using WhatsApp. Have fun.